Did you know that most first-time home buyers make a huge mistake before they even start looking at houses? And it's costing them time, money, and peace of mind. Let me ask you this. Do you want to be one of them? Of course not. That's why you're here. Right now, I'm about to share some common sense home buying hacks that most people don't know about, but should. These hacks will help you avoid the stress, confusion, and frustration so many home buyers face. And here's the kicker. By using these Kevin Martini hacks, you could save not just thousands, but tens of thousands of dollars during your journey to home ownership. Hi, I'm Kevin Martini, a certified mortgage advisor and someone who's had the privilege of helping countless first-time home buyers, just like you, turn their dreams into a reality. Over the years, I've seen what works and what doesn't, and what can save you from making costly mistakes. And I'm here to share that with you. The first and most important hack I need you to understand is this. The first step to home ownership isn't the house, it's the home loan. I know. It sounds counterintuitive, right? But most people think they'll start looking for houses online, find the perfect one, and then worry about the loan later. But let me tell you this, that's a huge mistake. The ultimate hack is starting with your mortgage. Now, why is this? It's very simple. Because knowing what you can afford and what you're comfortable paying makes everything else so much easier. When you have the clarity on the numbers and there are no surprises, you're confident, you're prepared, and you're ready to make a smart decision. Let me paint you a picture for a second. Imagine you've been scrolling through one of those fancy home search websites, convinced you found your dream home. It's a beautiful ranch house on a cul-de-sac in a perfect neighborhood. You pick up the phone, you call the listing agent, and you schedule a showing. When you see it in person, you are head over heels. It's the perfect thing, everything you've ever wanted in a home. You're ready to make an offer, and the listing agent, who works for the seller, not you, says, fantastic, let's write an offer now and put some non-refundable earnest money down. You do exactly that, and guess what? The offer is accepted. But then it's time to qualify for your home loan. Suddenly you find out you can't afford that home you've fallen in love with. Not only is your dream crushed, but you also lost your hard-earned due diligence money. That's the nightmare scenario. I don't want you to face it. This is why it's so important to surround yourself with the right people. Buying a home is likely the biggest financial decision you'll ever make. It's not about flashy advice from people with commission breath. It's about working with a true fiduciary who puts your best interests first. As a certified mortgage advisor, my role is to guide you with trusted advice and products tailored to your unique situation, your unique needs, your unique wants. That's why your first hire on this journey should always be your mortgage strategist, not your real estate agent. A true mortgage strategist is with you every step of the way. Before you find a home, while you're negotiating that home, and long after you've closed on that home loan. They're not just about getting you an approval. They're about managing this large debt over time and finding opportunities to save you money over time. Once you're fully approved and have cost and price clarity, the next step is to find the right buyer's agent. And yes, it matters who this is. Your buyer's agent is like your Sherpa for the home buying journey. They guide you through the process. They help you evaluate homes and negotiate on your behalf. But here's the catch. Not all buyer agents are created equally. Real estate is not just local, it's hyper local. A great agent for one area might not be the best agent for another area. You need someone who knows the ins and outs of the specific market where you want to buy. And if you're unsure where to start, ask your mortgage strategist. Trusted advisors always work together, and I can connect you with a top agent who are perfect for your needs. Let me recap the hacks. Start with your loan, not the house. Find a mortgage strategist who prioritizes your needs. Work with a buyer agent who knows your hyper-local market. And most importantly, focus on clarity, because when you understand the numbers, you hold all the power. If you're ready to start your homeownership journey, let's chat. I'm here to make this process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Homeownership isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. And with the right hacks, you can make it happen.